Hello my friends, today I have a small issue here. Usually people, when they are like using the phone, it happens that the charging port stops working just like that. So I'm plugging this one in charge. Oops, it starts charging now. No, it stops. It's charging. It stops when I push hard here. It starts charging. Okay, it's charging now. So if your phone is not charging because of this, the problem is that there is like lots of dust inside here. So to fix this issue, just you need like something sharp like this and insert it here and clean inside, as you see. And sometimes you can use the toothbrush and the alcohol if you have it. I have some alcohol here, and this is toothbrush, and clean very well the bottom parts here. Most of charging port problems, they are because of this, the dust. See, this was because when you put the phone in your pocket, the dust get inside, and when you plug the charger, the dust start like stacking inside till it piles up like this and hold the charger to not like be connected perfectly and touching on the pins inside. So they're missing now. If it's gonna charge without like bending it, it's charging. Charging normal now. Okay, so that was like a quick fix for iPhone 5s charging port. I hope this solution helped you. And when you are like using the tweezers, by the way, when you are using the tweezers sharp things here, make sure don't damage the pins inside. There are like pins like this, and if you see my hand, and when you plug the charger, the charger pins touch on these ones. So what happened, the dust stuck right here in this area, and when you plug the charger is not reaching, or there is like bad connection. So when we are using this one, we just like cleaning on the top of them, taking all the dust on the top. And sometimes we can like separate them like this, but make sure if these tweezers or the sharp thing you are using stuck in the pins like this, make sure don't just like use the force. Try to be like gentle and pass over on the top, not stuck here, and remove one of the pins or something, because if you damage these pins inside the charging port here, it will be like problem. So you have to replace the whole charging port. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If this solution is helpful for you, please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe for more. Thanks.